Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name's Fran and I make videos for the Sunnybank Trust every week. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. And this week's theme is Remembrance Day. We're going to be making some wreaths this week. Let's get started. For this activity you will need some glue and some tape, a black pipe cleaner and 2 white or brown pipe cleaners, a small circle-shaped object like a mug or a cup, some red tissue paper. You will also need some scissors. First we're going to take the 2 pipe cleaners of the same colour and twist them into a circle shape, like this. Take out your red tissue paper and your circle-shaped object. We're going to draw around it about 4 or 5 times. So we have 4 or 5 circles. Using your scissors, cut out your circles. Lay out all your circles in front of you. Now we're going to take our black pipe cleaner and roll it into little swirls like this. Keep rolling until you've got a small swirl. That's about right. Now we're going to cut off that part. Put that there. In the middle. Yeah, that's the right size. Now we're going to make a few more to put on each poppy. Take out your glue and start gluing on your black swirls to your red poppies. It's really important to leave your poppies to dry before the next part. Now we're going to take each of our poppies face down and slide them underneath our circle pipe cleaner shape. We're going to tape them to the back. We want to cover at least half of our circle pipe cleaner shape. When you've finished, you can turn it over to the right side. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a wreath today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.